Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to be sub 7 to 8 on 2x2. Now, the first step to being sub 7 to 8 on 2x2 is to learn to look CLL, which is what I use. Now, if you want to find the algorithms for it, you can look on a page for the Ortega method, because that's where I get my algorithms. I don't know if there's actually any for to look CLL, but if you want to find the algorithms, go and look on something for the algorithms for Ortega, and you'll find your algorithms there. Algorithms are all very easy to memorize and can be memorized from 1 to 2 days. So I'm just going to go over each and every one of them. So this is the first case. It's soon, where this one's facing this way, and this one's facing that way. So I'll do like this, and do R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. Here's the next case. It's actually the opposite of the other one. It's where this one's facing this way, and this one's facing this way. You hold like this, and do R, U2, R prime, U prime, R, U prime, R prime. Here's the next case where these two are facing this way, and these two are facing this way. You hold it like this and do R, U, R prime, U, R, U prime, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. Here is the next case where this one's facing this way and this one's facing that way. So what you do is F, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, F prime. This is the next case where these two are facing this way and these two are facing the opposite way, like that. Hold it like this and do F, R, U, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. And last but not least, we have this case. We just hold with this one. These two are facing that way, and these two are facing opposite way. Like that. You do R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime, F, R, F prime. So that's it for the OLLs. Now let's move on to the PLLs. So this one is where two are switched like that adjacently. So this one you do R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime, F, R2, U prime, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, F prime. So it's basically this case combined with this case to make this case. And the same goes for this case. This one is basically just those two OLLs combined. So this one is F, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, F prime. R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime, F, R, F prime. So those are all the OLLs, and that's basically all you need to know to be sub 7 to 8. So yeah, I hope you guys liked this video, and thank you for watching. Subscribe.